So we have updates to talk about as well as the Monad airdrop, which a lot of you are interested about. And let's overlook a little bit on the price of the Linea airdrop as well when it launches. So with that said, we jump straight onto the laptop right here. And first thing first, I want to let you know on my updates over on the trading, I will be shorting Ethereum as we see right here. So I will be shorting with about $300 on a 20x leverage with the liquidation price at 5124. And let me go and put it actually liquidation price a little bit higher, and the take profit will be around the $4,100 mark as I am shorting it. I will open the short, and as we see here, it is open. So come and trade with me over on Wix. You do have a 100 position airdrop bonus for all of you. So you simply sign up, you deposit $100, you get $100 for free, and you go and trade with that. So super simple for all of my community as well. If you want, we have a free to join trading community over on Telegram where I share all the profits and all the technical analysis and PA over here. So come and join the community. And as I said, this is my trade for the day. Next up, we're gonna see a little bit of a moon math for what the Linea airdrop is. And here we got it, the Linea token price at the launch with a fully diluted value market cap. So if it launches at $10 billion, which is very possible, remember that our Bitcoin launched at about $20 billion. So if Linea is so big, we could see a $10 billion at 14 cents. So do the math. If you got 1,000 tokens, then that is about $140 and like that. So it's not gonna be $1. $1 is really hard. I believe that for $1 we need to reach a 80 to 70 billion dollar evaluation. And don't get me wrong, Trump meme coin token did reach that, so $1 could be possible in the long run. Yes, with the bull market, yes, but at launch we do have to be realistic, and we could see between 10 and 30 cents, in my opinion, between $7 billion valuation and a $25 billion evaluation, which it is quite important. And as you see here, a lot of people are saying about the same thing over on Twitter. So we do have the same mindset, we do have the same opinion on it. And Linea could be good. Now, in September, we know that it's not probably the best month to launch a token, knowing that September in the crypto, in the trading space, it is quite of a bad month. But we could have rate cuts, we could have more information about it, so that will come into play. And that is also why I did short over here my position instead of longing it, with, as we see here, liquidation price at about new all-time heights. But in more important details, which you do want to focus about, is the Monad airdrop, which we want to see in this video. So the Monad Foundation is now live, and they have launched their page today. The mainnet is coming very soon. As of right now, though, there is no link to go and claim your airdrop. There is no link to go and check your airdrop, no link to go and claim your airdrop. So please be careful. Do not click any links that you might find here in the comment section. Just do not. They have launched their page, their foundation right here, which basically is going to be happening over on the airdrop claim. But as of right now, it is basically confirmed. Yes, Monad already confirmed the airdrop. There is no confirmation in terms of a checker or eligibility checker or a claiming page or none of that. So please be careful, and I will take you the video when it is time to go and participate in it and to have all the information that you need in terms of the Monad airdrop as well. But when it comes to the Linea airdrop, as we did mention, I did want to emphasize to you one thing. The Linea airdrop, it is going to be launching in September, yes. We're going to have the checker, the official checker, quite soon, yes. We don't have it yet. What it was with the Dune that we've seen yesterday, if we go and, for example, see over here, if you look for the Linea checker over on Twitter, which you can also do by yourself, it is very straightforward. You will get this one over here, this checker over on Dune. Now, this one, which we also did to see it, we did a bit of a moon math. It is not of the official one, yet it does take in consideration everything that it is on scene. So you can see your LXP, which it is the correct one, which I also have over here on my MetaMask wallet, which, as we're able to see, you can already see it on your wallet. You can already see your MetaMask token in your wallet. So not your MetaMask token, your Linea token. If you scroll down, we have already added this, and I will leave you the contract address if you want to add it directly to your MetaMask wallet as well. We do have it right here. So if we're gonna simply go down, actually, let's go and enable networks. Let's go and put the Linea one right here. So we take off the Ethereum one. and we leave the Linea one, we're able to see the LXP. And the LXP token that we do have right here is the same LXP numbers that we do have over on the Dune website. So it is pretty much reliable. And as we see here, we do have 2,365, which is the same as Dune calculated. So it is pretty much in line with what it is supposed to be. Absolutely, yes. It is official. Has it been published by the Linea page officially? No, that's why we do have the LXP. We do have the LAM, the multiplier. We also have the LXPL, which we still don't know how it is going to work. We just know that the LXP token, which we do have right here, it is going to be the token allocation from a 9% pool of the total token in circulation supply. The LXPL, which I do have 45,000, and I hope they're going to convert it to token, that is going to be coming out of the 85% of the ecosystem. So it's two different airdrops, which is very, very important for you to know and to understand. But it is coming. I will take you the video very, very soon. But with that said, guys, I hope you enjoy it. Quick video today because there is not much happening in the weekend. I do want to emphasize that the Monad airdrop has come out, as well as the very, very nice Linea airdrop possibility. So with that said, thank you for watching, and I see you all in the next video. Ciao, guys.